Welcome to today's instructional video on solving algebraic equations. In this video, we will be focusing on solving equations with one variable. We will specifically be tackling the equation 2 times x plus 4 equals 12. By following the step-by-step instructions in this video, you will be able to confidently solve for the variable x in no time. Let's get started. To solve the equation 2x plus 4 equals 12, let's start by isolating the variable x. This means we want to get x by itself on one side of the equation. Right now, 2x has an extra 4 added to it. To remove this 4, we do the opposite operation, which is subtraction. So we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation to maintain equality. This alters the expression as follows. The left side becomes 2x, and the right side becomes 12 minus 4. Therefore, after this step, the equation is transformed into 2x equals 8. We subtracted 4 from both sides because the goal is to isolate the variable. By performing the same operation on both sides, we ensure the equation remains balanced. To continue solving for x, we need to further isolate the variable. Right now, our equation is 2x equals 8. The coefficient of x is 2, which means x is being multiplied by 2. To get x by itself, we need to undo this multiplication. The opposite operation of multiplication is division, so we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. Let's divide the left side by 2. This leaves us with x because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times x is just x. On the right side, we divide 8 by 2, which simplifies to 4. So x equals 4. This is the final step, and we have solved for x. To summarize, we isolated x on one side by first subtracting 4 and then dividing by 2. The solution to the equation 2x plus 4 equals 12 is x equals 4. This means that if you replace x with 4 in the original equation, both sides will be equal. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.